I am at 307 East 156th Street. Waterloo Arts District up that way, Euclid Beach that way. So we've got 2 storefronts, 6 apartments, all in various states of repair or disrepair, as we will soon see. So the way this thing's set up, I gotta go up first and then we'll head back down. So we got a nice staircase going up. Got some old school skylights. Let's see, cool skylight. So the units 1 and 2 are the biggest. So these are dining, living room, kitchen, bath, bedroom. So as you can see, some drywall repair has started here, electrical work. The windows are okay, some aren't. Nice big closet. Hardwood floors are in decent shape here. This is an old boiler run building, so got some holes in the floor where the boiler radiators were. So you can see a lot of work has started here, although we do have some mold up here from some roof leaks. Wiring. Again, some work to the bathroom here and the bedroom. There's the new box ready to go and all the wiring hanging for it. Let's walk across the way. Again, it's gonna be the same layout. This one's in better shape in some ways and not in other. Excuse me. Again, some drywall work, electrical work, plumbing work. That would be the kitchen. There's all your new wiring and the new box, no breakers. Bathroom is getting prepped and ready to go. And we've got no ceiling here. There's your drywall. Are you ready to go up there? Molding. That's your bedroom. So those are the 2 big units. Now things start to get a little wonky because we've got a roof leak. So we'll go into this one over here. And you can see we've got some buckling going on. Plaster has fallen, but we've got buckled floor. This is the kitchen. So it looks like some new plumbing was run. That's about it for this unit. Again, this is the living room, buckled and missing flooring. These windows look okay. No ceiling. Bathroom and bedroom. So this one we're missing there's no dining room. So this is a smaller floor plan. Let's go across the hall. Again, we've got, missing plaster. Floor's in better shape. We do have some buckling here. This would be the kitchen. We've got some new plumbing. This is the living room. Not in terrible shape. Bathroom and bedroom. So let's go see what we're seeing out here. So, this has got there's an inset here to allow light, which is pretty classic for these mixed use buildings. Okay, so there is a back stairwell off the back of the building, which we will be going down. It's pretty much an enclosed exterior stairwell. A little bit of yard space back here. There's no driveway. There's a walkway to the back. Okay, so now we're entering, this is one of the back residential units. buckling floor. This is under the one that has a lot of problems upstairs, so the problems continue to drip down, I guess. But this is the living room we're in. Kitchen. Does not look like there's some new pecs, but as you can see, really nothing else has happened here. Got some flooring problems. This is really, again, flooring problems. Bathroom, nothing's been done. Again, there's the pecs, but other than that, everything is vintage. Go across the hall. Much like upstairs, this unit is in better shape. Bedroom, bathroom. Kitchen. And living room. And again, that's direct access to that back stairwell. Okay, now we're gonna head to the storefronts. There's a step down. We've got a kitchen. This one has 2 bathrooms. Got some buckling floor. You know, really, it's not in that bad a shape. So this is a pretty big half bath here. I know it's kind of hard to see, but. And there's another one up here. I think, you know, if you wanted to make these into apartments again, I think that's really doable. That's a thing down here in this neighborhood is, and I know on East 156, I've sold other buildings with storefront apartments and they're really cool. This one's really nice. This one's fixed up. So this shows you the potential of what could happen here. You know, there's the can lights. It's really bright space. Very, very nice space. So I think this shows you what the potential is for next door. You know, it looks to me like, I think they were still going to keep this a storefront though, because I don't see, you know, you only have this half bath here. Obviously, to do an apartment, you would need a full bath. And then I'm going to attempt to go down to the basement. I haven't really done that yet, so it'll be an adventure for me as well as you. Oh, there's a little toilet there. Okay, I don't see anything horrific down here. Clay block basement means it's going to be damp, and it is damp. I don't see any standing water. That's dampness. Again, that clay block, that's going to be typical. Not a lot of head height down here. So there is a furnace. So there's some new plumbing back there. You also have some asbestos wrap that will need to be dealt with. And I think that's all I got for you.